Okay, my screen is visible, right? So here what I'm
Yes,
trying to
sir.
do, I'm going to use one more server now. So python Python AWS toolkit.py. Then I want to create one server, two, then AP South one. Then after the existing key pair where I'm going to use, then after that two, then after the default one, then one, then after that one and 20 GB, then no default one. So Jenkins Jenkins UAT server. Okay, this is one more the specific name, one more instance I have. Okay, so I want to exit, or else I want to add port number right away. So click on give a 4 number, open a port security group. So opening a port here. So I've already opened a port to this two security groups. You see that this is the SG and this is the SD, and instances I have already these instances been attached to 80 port number. For example, if I want to attach a port number to the default SG also, give the 3, open a port 1, then enter the port number 8080. Okay. So now again, I want to open a port number to one more server, then enter the port number. I want to open 80 port number, then go to exit to main menu. Then let's check out that list of EC2 instances. Here you can see everything, right? Listing out the EC2 instances with port numbers. So Jenkins UAT will be having 80 port number. Let me add attach 8080 also over this place. So 4 is the option. Then default SG name. Then open a port 1. Then 8080 I want to open. Then after that exit to main menu. Then just look out the instances. So I have two ports, 80 and 8080, both are being available. This will be having all ports opened. That's fine. So now let's try to copy this and give the exit. I'm connecting to server SSH-I. Then right click Jenkins. What is the PEM file? /user@. I'm just connecting to the server now. Might be if this is not getting connected. So now we have to do open a 22 port to this particular Jenkins UAT server. If the server is not getting connected. If the server is not getting connected, we have to open a 22 port number. So what is the 22 port number? 22 port is going to help. So connection time out. So let me open a port. Open a port. Now to the default one, I want to open a port 1. 22, I'm just opening a port. To exit, 1, list out the services. Okay, so then now 8 for exit. Okay, so this time it is connected. Maybe Lokesh, in your case is also the same issue. So you have not opened a port, I think. Okay, do sudo su hyphen. The same document, whatever I have, Jenkins install.md. The first command, what I'm trying to do, wget this, Control C, right click, enter. Done. The second command, yum space update. So no need to enter the sudo. If you want to enter the sudo also, that's fine. It's not an issue. Even in the root also, if you want, you can able to enter. So here we will put that -y. This not required. And here we will put that -y. Here also we'll put -y. Okay, that's fine. So it's done. So now I am going to import this RPM key file, the package file. Done. Then this, done. Then after that, this is dependencies of your Jenkins. It's not only a Java, it will be having a font config is also a dependent. Then after that, install your Jenkins. Then after that, just do the reload. Just do the reload. SYSTEMCTL STATUS JNKINS Jenkins. It is inactive and dead state. Let's just do that start. Or else we will do that enable, ENABLE, enable. Okay. So now let's just check that status. It's still inactive dead. Let's just check that status. Inactive dead. Let's check status. Now I'm going to start up. STA. So before that, let me check that Java space -version. Java space -version. Oh. STA artist start. Oh. How come we missed anything over this place? We have executed these two commands, right? RPM. So can you please tell me like what we missed out here? Anyone, please? We missed something over this place. We missed something. Anyone? We missed this, right? We've added a package, but we did not execute. Sudo yum space install space control V space -y. We missed this, right? Correct or not? So that's the reason it is clearly telling that you don't have a JDK. You don't have a Java in this machine. And we are trying to start that Jenkins. That's a mistake what we did it. Java space -version. Perfect. Now start Jenkins. It is going to start in a minute. In a sec. Yeah, it's if it is minutes, that's fine. Now I'm going back here. What is my public IP of this machine? What is my public IP of this machine? Okay, I might be, let's go here and then Control C. We just want to go over the list of these EC2 instances. And I think this is my public IP. Okay. So Jenkins UAT server's public IP is this. I'll go back here. Poland 8080 port number. I should be able to access my Jenkins console. The one which we seen yesterday, correct? Control C of this. So you'll get the default password from the server itself. Let's go back to the server. Let's go back to the server. And here with catcat command, catcat command. This is your default password, which can be able to available only one time. After that, you are going to recreate a password for the Jenkins admin server. Please paste the password. Oh, shit. Control C, right? Control C. Control V. Okay. So now do copy and paste it over here. Install suggested plugins and install selected plugins. So it is completely depend on the organization and depend on the projects. So I suggest go with the suggested plugins. Don't go with the selected plugins. So when you want to go with the selected plugins, right? So that time when you are working any of the project, so now you can able to get the confirmation from them. You can choose that. But for now, go with the suggested plugins. So the default plugins gets created, whichever it is required, everything can be. So maybe tomorrow in your organization, we don't want this Ant plugin. We don't want this Gradle plugin, and we don't want this pipeline graph view plugin. So it depends. GitHub branch source plugin we don't want. So you can do whatever you want it. Okay, you can do whatever you want. So meanwhile, what I'll do over this place is I have updated this git status status. So modified. Okay, this I've modified. Git space add space AWS toolkit.py. Okay, git add I've did it. Then after that, git commit commit. Okay, so meanwhile, let's go back here. So this will get complete. Okay, so save. So here what you need to do is you have to create your own user. Okay, you have to create your own user. So I recommend do not create like your movie hero names or some of your names. So go with professional, Jenkins, Jenkins, and Jenkins password. Welcome at 123. Welcome at 123. Jenkins admin server. So here the mail ID in organization where you are going to give your uh, DU lead, DU ID you are going to give it here. For example, gmail.com. That's it. So save and continue. Now the user is this, and this is what your URL. Save and finish. Start Jenkins. So I'm sharing this to you people. You just try to access. This is also similarly the same like how you people accessed the Tomcat last time. Correct?
Yes, sir. Website got open.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. We'll log in. Sorry, open the page. Welcome is capital normal, sir.
No, no, all small only.
That's small.
Okay, so meanwhile, let me push that code. Oh, not this one, right? This one, I think. Git commit -m. Okay, committed. Git git push push origin origin. I've created a repo. What is the repo? I think it has AWS scripts, right? AWS scripts scripts. Now all my files have been moved. So if you want, you can able to download and you can use this script file. Okay, get repo and AWS toolkit. This is the one which is available. This is the latest script is available now. Even you can see the history. Okay, a minute ago I've updated. So this is the latest script file which has been available. Multiple resources option. Okay. So this is what your Jenkins console. So we will start working from tomorrow. So meanwhile, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to shut down the servers. I don't want to remove it. Okay, I don't want remove it. So, but I can able to delete a 2 servers. Okay, I'm going to delete 2 servers. Delete EC2 instances. So, do you want to delete all instances? No. 1, 2. So this Jenkins server and Jenkins test, I don't want it. Jenkins UAT, I want it, right? So yes, confirm the deletion. Yes, I want to delete these 2 instances. Those are getting shutting down. Those are getting shutting down. So that is getting terminated. See, whatever we did it is today, it's completely R&D and at the same time learning, and at the same time like we've resolved that issue, right? Understand everyone? So this time I want to go back to the main menu, and what I can do is I want to start and stop. Okay, go to the 5 and stop instance. So we have only one instance now. Let it. I'm going to stop this instance until tomorrow morning. So once we come back tomorrow, so then we will bring up the same instance and we can start wherever we stopped it now. So now this won't be available. So because the server gets stopped, this won't be available from now. The server is going to stop. Correct? It's done. Go back to main menu and exit. So how your scripts, Lee, see here, whatever the manual work which I was trying to do earlier, all will be like taken care by my script only. Just like switch on, switch it off, switch it on, switch it off. That's it. How simple it is. But the thing is, for making the scripts, obviously it was difficulty those days, but nowadays it is not difficulty. The only thing is, it is like completely the way what you are thinking, you have to tell to that artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot. All these people, you just have to give the proper instructions. So this is what am I thinking, and then can you help me to build it? So the tool is going to helping you to give that what exactly you're thinking. Okay, so you have to check that. Okay, so this is what, no, I need something else need to be added. So that is where you have to give it back. So it is going to. Okay. So this is what about the today's session. So what we learned is multiple ways of installing this Jenkins. and whatever the issue which we faced it yesterday, and even there is a bug in the Jenkins.io document itself. This is actually the bug. So this is not available at all. Okay, this is not available at all. So we were facing, or else either this RPM package is not the proper one. So whatever the package they have given to update it, that package does not contain this JDK 21 open. Later what we did is, we have been updated that with the help of this. So this is the RPM package we have been updated. Post that we were able to install this 21. So with this, we were unable to install it. Okay. That is what we learned it today, and we've installed it, and then we were able to access it. So final sudo sudo systemctl start start Jenkins. Done, guys. This is how we can able to make sure a system up and running with the latest version. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today. We'll meet on tomorrow for the further topic.